So I know it might be hard to see on here. I have to be a bit careful because sometimes when I show numbers, videos tend to go crazy, then they get blocked. But this right here, this one platform has paid me over $4,000 so far, and I've got about 500 bucks, a little under 500 bucks that's about to be paid out to me shortly. Now, what exactly does this mean for you? Well, what this means for you is that this side hustle right here that I'm using has the potential to completely replace your 9 to 5 income. If you're looking to replace your 9 to 5 income, if you want to spend more time with family and friends, I literally been teaching people for free on my YouTube channel exactly what it is I do to create a full-time income online using this exact business right here. And if you want to see exactly what it is I do, step by step, over the shoulder, if you want to see my exact blueprint, all you have to do is go to this URL right here, take a screenshot, save for future reference, type it into your browser, tap the bottom of the screen, do you have to do, but get over to this URL right here by going right up there, and I'll show you over the shoulder exactly what it is I do. I leave my phone number on these videos. If you have any questions, you could easily send me a text. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, but go right here right now and I'll meet you over there.